Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make 豚ともやしの重ね蒸し. It's pork and bean sprout, steamed in layers. Very easy to make, but stupidly delicious with the flavorful sauce. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 豚ともやしの重ね蒸し. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of bean sprout. 400 grams of shabu-shabu style, very thinly sliced pork, any part you like. For the sauce, 6 tablespoons of ponzu sauce, 2 tablespoons each of sesame oil and sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon each of garlic paste and sugar, and some green onion, as much as you like. Let's put half of the bean sprouts, half of the pork, the rest of the bean sprouts, and the rest of the pork in the pot. Try to spread it out like this. Put the cover on and cook for 15 to 20 minutes over medium heat. No need to add any water. You're going to steam cook it with the water of the bean sprouts. In the meantime, let's make the sauce. Green onion into thin slices. So let's cut them into half, put them together, cut them into half, put them together. And let's just make thin slices. In the bowl of sliced green onion, add all the seasonings. Ponzu sauce, sesame oil, garlic paste, sugar, and sesame seeds. Give it a good mix. And the sauce is ready. Steam for 15 to 20 minutes. And everything in the pot looks like well cooked. And I also have the sauce ready, so it's time to enjoy. Take some. Dip in the sauce. And いただきます. It's such a simple dish, But this sauce brings it to next level. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚ともやしの重ね蒸し is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and kabocha miso soup or any soup you like here. How about agedashi tofu for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!